Hi, my name is Daniel, and you are currently taking a look at my work-in-progress racing game called Overboost. It's been in development for a little bit now, and with the amount of progress that's been made as of late, I wanted to go ahead and make a little video about where things are and hopefully where I intend on taking things here in the near future. So this is a test track that I had put together recently, along with model that I had created for testing out the functionality of this game. So let's go ahead and take a quick look and see what all goes into this here. And this is a wireframe view of the track. It's about 40 seconds long to complete a lap. Not very much in the way of obstacles at this moment, just a couple of barriers to test things out. There is functionality inside there at this moment to track laps and checkpoints at various points on the track. Everything feeds into one script for management and eventual display to the player. The track object contains logic to trigger an initialization script as well. So when that script fires off, it loads a few things that are necessary for the actual race. One of those being the vehicle model itself. Now, right now, the actual physics mesh is highlighted, which is where I put most of the control functionality. And this is the actual visual mesh here that was just highlighted there, along with the skeleton that is inside of the vehicle that controls things like the rear flaps and the jets on the side and whatnot, along with a central bone that controls vehicle roll, instead of actually having that roll done inside of the physics mesh. And here's a textured view of that same ship as well. Along with the vehicle model, the vehicle's particle models will also be pulled in as well for the rear and the side jets. After the vehicle's assets have been loaded, the camera object itself will then be referenced, which also contains a script that controls the displaying of the rotation force on the vehicle, the acceleration force, the time elapsed for that lap, and along with that, the laps completed, and finally, a speed display at the top. And once everything's put together, you end up with the game as it stands at this moment, which I am extremely happy to see and happy to continue to see improving as time goes on. Of course, bugs will be fixed, physics will be improved, handling will gain as well as time goes on, but as where it's at right now, I am really happy to see the progress that has been made in just this year alone. As for upcoming functionality that will be implemented into the game, I am currently working on getting network communication going between a client and a server, so that way we can facilitate chat communication along with passing location information for vehicles on the track. Along with this, I'm also working on a script that will track the location of the vehicle over the track and place an object under there accordingly to use for certain things, such as the effects script that I'm going to be updating for Blender 2.67b that will also be used inside of the game as well. I want to thank you for taking a look at my video. I'm extremely happy to have the opportunity to make this game. For more updates, keep an eye on my website. Thanks and take care.